How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
Super. I worked a lot on Saturday. Super. I worked a lot on Saturday. And on Sunday I went hiking. And on Sunday I went hiking. It was really nice. It was really nice. How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
I had a date. I had a date.
Oh wow, awesome. Tell me, how was it? Oh wow, awesome. Tell me, how was it?
Unfortunately, it didn't go very well. Unfortunately, it didn't go very well.
Oh no. Why? Oh no, why?
Well, first we went to a restaurant. Well, first we went to a restaurant. The food was really good, and the wine was too. The food was really good, and the wine was too. But he was looking at his phone the whole time during the meal. But he was looking at his phone the whole time during the meal.
That's not nice. That's not nice.
No, it was annoying. No, it was annoying. After the meal, we went to a bar. After the meal, we went to a bar. The music was great. The music was great. There was even live music. There was even live music. But he didn't want to dance. But he didn't want to dance. He said he doesn't know how to dance. He said he doesn't know how to dance.
What a shame, were the cocktails good? What a shame, were the cocktails good?
Yes, very good. Yes, very good. I ordered a vodka lemon. I ordered a vodka lemon. He had a gin and tonic. He had a gin and tonic. After drinking, we paid the bill. After drinking, we paid the bill. Then we went to the train station. Then we went to the train station. We had to go in the same direction. We had to go in the same direction. He fell asleep on the train. He fell asleep on the train. He was snoring so loudly that the people around complained. He was snoring so loudly that the people around complained.
That's a bit embarrassing. That's a bit embarrassing.
Yes, it was really embarrassing. Yes, it was really embarrassing. When my stop arrived, I woke him up. When my stop arrived, I woke him up. He was a little sleepy. He was a little sleepy. He apologized to me before I got off. He apologized to me before I got off. He said he was very tired from work. He said he was very tired from work. And that he was sorry for falling asleep. And that he was sorry for falling asleep. I told him it was fine. I told him it was fine. There are days like that. There are days like that. And I wished him a safe trip home. And I wished him a safe trip home.
That was very kind of you. That was very kind of you. Have you heard from him? Have you heard from him?
Yes. The next morning, he sent me a message. Yes. The next morning, he sent me a message. He said it was a great night. He said it was a great night. And that he would like to repeat it. And that he would like to repeat it.
Will you give him another chance? Will you give him another chance?
I don't know. I don't know. He was very handsome, tall, athletic, and nice. He was very handsome, tall, athletic, and nice. But I didn't think he was that great. But I didn't think he was that great. It was a bit weird. It was a bit weird.
Maybe he had a bad day. Maybe he had a bad day. Or he was very nervous. Or he was very nervous.
Yes, you might be right. Yes, you might be right. Should I suggest going out another day? Should I suggest going out another day?
Yes, do it. Yes, do it. You will probably be more relaxed on the second date. You'll probably be more relaxed on the second date. Maybe you could go to the cinema. Maybe you could go to the cinema. There you have to turn off your phone. There you have to turn off your phone.
Yes, that way he won't be looking at it the whole time. Yes, that way he won't be looking at it the whole time.
A friend told me that the new James Bond 008 is great. A friend told me that the new James Bond 008 is great.
Oh wow, that surprises me. I just read that it has no plot, is very unrealistic and bad. Oh, wow. That surprises me. I just read that it has no plot, is very unrealistic and bad.
Okay. Then maybe a romantic comedy would be better. Okay. Then maybe a romantic comedy would be better.
Do you want to learn English in an easy and fun way? Subscribe to our channel. Every Sunday, a new video.